Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Are you looking for a powerful way to support Black-owned businesses? Well, welcome to the Community Unity Business Directory, where Black entrepreneurs thrive and communities rise. Whether you're searching for a top-tier Black-owned business or want to showcase your own, we've got you covered. So sign up today and choose your pathway to success. The underground tier is free. And guess what? It's perfect for startup businesses making their mark on our community. The emancipation tier boosts your visibility and attract more customers. The liberation tier, get featured, ads, videos, and unlock some premier exposure. And the sovereignty tier, dominate in your industry with VIP status, homepage features, event listings, and more. This is more than a directory, it's a movement. Search, connect, grow. Elevate your business while supporting the community. Join now. Community Unity. Strength in business, power in unity.